결혼이 돈 지게 숨습시 지론이 돈된 진짜 줍드님 아리 신진 부스쪽네 아리 추족이 치토베 세르기 담메신다 대신 진노르 공사 겸규 진보 쪽라 표신배 뒤진 제거인 슈망이네 가드 쫌숨긴가네 뒤진 제거 송지 같이 쉬어바래 대신 대규 장샤산의 각도왕 대인 표 미망네 가드 쫌숨긴가네 뒤진 제거 송지 같이 쉬어베카 촉되기 시그르시 두인
Chere sewa tenzi kya zo yin shabe site ba do ten yo chi Tashi Delek, and warm welcome to each one of you. Today is truly a historic and deeply meaningful day. A day of tribute, unity, and celebration. We have gathered here for this grand exhibition and tribute to His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama on the occasion of 18th anniversary of Congressional Gold Medal conferred by the United States Congress on 17th October 2007. There's highest civilian award. And also to commemorate 90th birth anniversary of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, celebrated across the world as the Year of Compassion. It fills my heart with immense joy to see so many familiar faces, respected faces gathered under one roof. To honor the life and legacy of the man who has become not just a Tibetan leader but the universal symbol of peace, compassion, and humanity. This event holds special significance not just because of the occasion but also because of where we are celebrating it, Tathagata Cell, popularly known as the Buddha Park. This place is not just a beautiful landmark, it carries a deep spiritual connection. The name Tathagata Cell was given by His Holiness Dalai Lama himself. And it was His Holiness who laid the foundation stone for this sacred site. So truly, there could not have been more fitting venue to celebrate this day of gratitude and remembrance than this very ground, blessed by His presence and vision. Dear friend, this exhibition and tribute are the result of heartfelt collaboration between the Tibetan Kodin Committee and Buddha Social Welfare Foundation 9 Perfum. The idea first came to my mind, but before taking any step, I discussed it with our community leaders, elders, and intellects. Everyone strongly supported the thought that this important occasion should not be confined only within the Tibetan community. We all agreed that His Holiness, not just for the Tibetans, He belongs to the entire world, and His message of compassion, tolerance, forgiveness, and universal responsibility knows no boundary. Therefore, this event had to be one that brings all people of Ravongla together. Buddha, Tibetan, Lepchas, and Nepali under one roof as one human family. When I shared this idea with different people and organizations, the response was overwhelmingly positive. Many said, this is something truly amazing and historic. That encouragement gave me even more energy and happiness to carry this forward. So today, as I stand here, I can say from my heart that to be able to organize this event jointly with the Buddha Social Welfare Foundation is a great victory in itself. Not for me personally, but for all of us collectively. And I'm sure if His Holiness Dalai Lama were to know about this collaboration effort, he would be genuinely happy. Because unity, understanding, brotherhood are the very core of his teaching. This collaboration with Buddha Social Welfare Foundation is not the first and last, but the beautiful beginning of many more collaboration in the future. As a follower of the same Dharma, sharing similar tradition, culture, and lifestyle, we have shared responsibility to preserve our religion and cultural heritage. We have shared in future, we hope to include other communities such as Lepchas and Nepalis in our upcoming programs, because the more we stand together, the stronger our harmony becomes. I deeply hope and believe that everyone will continue to support and participate in this spirit of unity. Now, I would like to share something very special about today's exhibition. Tibetans and Buddhists may not have the same dialect. Even within the Tibetan community itself, we have different dialects, Kham, Amdo, and Uzang, and sometimes not everyone can understand each other perfectly. But what unites us is our script, our beautiful Tibetan script, the same sacred letters that binds us all together, and it's our common treasure. To honor that, I have invited a renowned Tibetan calligrapher, Jamyang Dorje Chakisar, a former Joint Secretary Government of Sikkim, who is respected globally for his mastery in traditional Tibetan calligraphy, not many people in Ravangla knows that we have such a gifted artist among us. I personally requested him to showcase his art here today so that all of us could see, appreciate and take pride in the richness of our script, which is truly our common treasure and binding force of our shared identity. I sincerely thank him for graciously accepting my request and being part of this exhibition. Before I conclude, I want to extend my deepest appreciation to everyone contributed for their time, effort, goodwill to make this event a reality. I support the cooperation and enthusiasm for all sides from the Tibetan community, the Buddha Welfare Foundation, and our respected officials and well-wishers have been truly heartwarming. Let us remember that this event is not just a celebration of Dalai Lama's achievement, it is a celebration of his values. In times when the world is divided by conflict and mistrust, his message of compassion, non-violence and universal brotherhood stands as a light of hope for all humanity. So may this event inspire each one of us to practice compassion in our daily life, to live with kindness and to carry forward the legacy of His Holiness in our own humble ways. Once again, I extend my warmest welcome and deepest gratitude to all esteemed guests, dignitaries and everyone present here. May the blessings of His Holiness continue to guide us on the path of peace and compassion. Thank you, Tashitale, Namaste to everybody.
Grand exhibitions and tributes to His Holiness, the great 14th Dalai Lama, on the occasions of 18th anniversary of Congressional Gold Medals Award confirmed by the United States Congress on 17th October 2007 and commemorates the 19th birth anniversary of His Holiness celebrated across the globe as the Year of Compassion. मेरो लागि धर्म भनेको चाहिँ कस्तो लाग्छ भने कसैलाई राम्रो गर्यो, कसैलाई अन्याय गरेन, कसैलाई थिचोमिचो गरेन, कसैको दुःखमा साथ दियो, कसैलाई सहयोग गर्यो भने चाहिँ त्यो धर्म हो जस्तो लाग्छ। अब अनि कसैको लागि पाप मन चितायो, कसैलाई नराम्रो गर्यो, कसैको लागि हामीले व्यवहार राम्रो देखाएन र काटमार गर्यो भने चाहिँ त्यो चाहिँ पाप काम हो जस्तो लाग्छ। अब बेसी नभन्दै मैले कति सुख पाएँ त्यसको 1000 गुणा तपाईहरुले सुख पाओस्। मैले कति दुःख पाएँ त्यसको एकै इन्ची एकै सुत पनि तपाईहरुले नपाओस् भन्दै म मेरो वक्तव्य यही राख्न चाहन्छु। थ्यांक यू।
His Holiness Dalai Lama, 5th Dalai Lama ने जब हाम्रो सिक्किमको नेचोछिसी योक्सममा 11 नम्बर जिम्मीको प्रेसेन्समा सोगल पूजा नम्गेको कोरोनेसन हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ त्यो इन्टरनेशनल कोरोनेसनको सेरेमनीमा एकजना मात्र इन्टरनेशनल विटनेस थियो, त्यो टिबेटको गल्लेपनाको रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभ थियो, हिज होलिनेस दलाईमा 5th को रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभ थियो। उहाँले चाहिँ गुरु रिम्पोछेको टोक्सु जो गुरु रिम्पोछेले समयमा लगाउनु भएको थियो, त्यो समयदेखि चाहिँ अब यो एप्रोप्रिएट टाइम एप्रोप्रिएट जग्गा चाहिँ बेबी ड्यामेज हो, यहाँ चाहिँ छोगलको कोरोनेसनमा चाहिँ छोगलले चलाउनुपर्छ भनेर हिज होलिनेस दलाई लामाले योक्सम नगरमा छोगल पूजा नगेर चरायो। अहिलेसम्म अहिले यो फङ्सन गरेको हामीले हिज होलिनेसको गोल्ड के अरे कङ्ग्रेसनल गोल्ड मेडलको त्यो फङ्सन र हिज होलिनेसको बर्थडे 90th बर्थडे सेलिब्रेसन कम्बाइन गरेर गरेको पनि हामीले मेरो विचारमा चाहिँ 383 इयर्सको कन्टिन्युएसन हो। यो चाहिँ हिस्टोरिक हो। यस्तो हिस्टोरिक फङ्सनमा चाहिँ हाम्रो यही लोकल हाम्रै लिडर यहाँ एमएलए साहब पर्सनली आउनु भएको, आई थिङ्क हामी सबैले उहाँले चाहिँ थ्याङ्क यू भनेर चाहिँ के अरे इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो। हामीले चाहिँ उहाँले चाहिँ आउनु भएर यसो गरेको चाहिँ बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। पर्सनली
青色中。